students, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's our video is for class 9, and from today we are starting second lesson, that is work and energy. In today's session we'll try to discuss about the work and its units. So let's start.
Remember, a work is done whenever a force causes the displacement. Imagine a person standing in a class. Since he isn't exerting a force that will display anything outside his body, so he is not doing any type of work.
We do work even as we sleep. Forces causing displacement are happening everywhere under our skin. Human body is a busy place. If a system exerts a force on its surrounding and displacement occurs, then work done is called external work.
A person pushing a book on a table is doing an external work. A person standing motionless is not doing any external work.
If a part of a system exerts a force on another part of a same system and displacement occurs, then work done is called internal work.
For a person holding a book or any other system for that matter, work is done whenever a force causes displacement result occurs. A person holding a book is surely no work done is occurring. Replace a person with a table. A book lies on the table. What work the table is doing? Nothing is going on. Nothing is been done, not even the work. When the book is carried horizontally with constant velocity, no work is done on the book. In this case, horizontal displacement is not a direction of force applied vertically.
A work is done whenever force causes displacement. No component of force is acting in direction of motion. When a book moves horizontally with the constant velocity, work and displacement are independent. Then no work is done on the book by the hand.
Raising a book takes work. It raises its energy. When a person lowers a book at an angle or vertically is negative work. Numerically, the positive work done by raising it is cancelled by lowering the book, resulting zero work done overall on the book. Work is directly proportional to factors, force and the displacement. Direction is handled with a cosine function. Cosine is the greatest when angle is 0. The angle between two vectors pointing in the same direction is 0. 0 at an 90 degree. Forces perpendicular to displacement do no work. Work is defined as W is equal to F into S into cos theta, where W is equal to work done, F is the force applied on an object, S is the displacement caused by an force, and theta is an angle.
This tells us that force is constant both in magnitude and in direction relative to displacement at all times.
SI unit of work is joule.
Both the energy and work can be expressed in same units.
1 joule is equal to 1 Newton into 1 meter. This notebook weighs 100 grams. It means it exerts a force of 1 Newton.
So in this way, today we have discussed about the work, displacement and its units. I hope you like this video. If you like it, try to subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. Thank you.